Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back, friends. It's cooking time. We are going to be making Nigerian stew. This is the way I make it though. Okay, I boil all my meat. I put the very hard meat at the bottom. Pour all the other ones. This is chicken. I'm going to put it on top because I'll be bringing it out. Then my seasoning, chopped onions. Then add some water. Cover it to cook. When it starts steaming, then you get your chicken out. I like to bring out the chicken and kind of crisp it a little in the oven so that it doesn't break. You know, chicken cooks faster than the rest of all this meat here. So I'm gonna season it and put it in the oven to bake a little, maybe for like 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is good. It's not gonna be too dry, too soft either. So on a different pot, I will start to fry my onions, my garlic, my pepper. I'm gonna be using this little fresh green pepper. I will still add more later. We like our food spicy in Nigeria. You can grind your fresh tomatoes, but I will be using crushed one that is in a tin. We're using these two large ones. Stir to mix every ingredient together properly, then cover it to cook. Don't cover it all because you want to let the steam out. You keep frying your tomatoes until it's dry and looks a little bit like the paste. Then you can add your tomato paste. The purpose of cooking the tomatoes is to make sure that you dry the water and bring it to thick texture. Add your seasoning. Now it's looking almost ready to combine together with the meat and the broth. Yep, you get your fried tomatoes and pour it in together with the meat that is already boiling. Add all the meat that you separated and don't forget the baked chicken. Then mix everything together. Now your stew is almost ready. You have to cover it up to steam. At this point, you can taste it to make sure that it tastes exactly how you want it. The salt, the pepper, everything. Then you cover it to cook for a little bit. Then it's ready. Serve with white rice or spaghetti, whichever you want. Rice and some want it with spaghetti, so I'm gonna be dishing out both. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe, comment and like. Bye bye.